In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number to an order in Shopify. If you're running an online store, ensuring that your customers can track their orders can greatly enhance their shopping experience. So, let's dive right in and see how simple this process can be in Shopify. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you've done that, head over to the home section of your online store. This is usually the default landing page when you first log into Shopify. From here, you can navigate through your store's different settings and options. Next, you'll need to access your order list. Look for the Orders tab, which you can typically find on the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard. Clicking on this tab will bring up a complete list of all your current and past orders. For our purposes, we're going to look for an order marked as number 1003. Of course, this number will be different for your store, so just choose the order for which you need to add a tracking number. Once you've located the desired order, you'll see an option that says Add Tracking. This is where you provide shipment tracking details, which your customers can use to monitor their package's journey. Click on this button, and a new field will pop up asking for the tracking number. In the tracking number field, you'll need to enter the tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. It's important to make sure this number is entered accurately, as it ensures that your customer can track their package without any issues. This typically means double-checking the number against your shipping records. After the tracking number has been entered successfully, don't forget to save the changes. But before you click Save, ensure that all the details are correct and reflect what has been provided by the carrier. Now, if you find yourself needing to cancel this operation for any reason, perhaps because of an error, you can easily do so. You'll notice that there's a Cancel button available in the same area. Clicking this will exit out of the tracking number entry without saving any changes. This way, if there's an error or if you need to verify the tracking details further, you can step back and restart the process as needed. That wraps up our quick guide on how to add a tracking number to an order in Shopify. It's a straightforward process that greatly benefits the customer experience by providing transparency and assurance. Incorporating tracking information is a smart move towards building trust with your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.